Okay, so now we've finished the installation and the basic configuration. So what we're going to do now is walk through the rest of the config of Web Traffic Genius. And we're going to start by going again to the Options tab, which is where we are. And we're going to input our email address. And since we're in the beginning of it, we just want to check the latest log. That way, if anything goes wrong, we can send this log to Tim and the guys over at Web Traffic Genius, and they can help us out with any problems we might have. Also, we want to enable extra feeds, of course, and we want to enable Chrome Job. And now we're going to update those options, and then we're going to scroll down. And you can see now we have some code here we didn't have before, but for now we're going to go to Manage Aggregators. And what you'll see here is that some of these are ready status and some of them are not ready status. Some are disabled and some are enabled. And the difference between what's going on here and here is the sites with the asterisk require you to sign up. They require you to have a username and password. And Feedage, this is a very good site to get links from. All these are, and really all of them are together, but these with the asterisks more especially, because there's just no way to game them. You have to do the work to be able to get your links in there. So what we're going to do now is we want to go through and we want to get all these enabled that we want to get our links to. So if you're doing this and you're serious about your business, you're gonna pause whatever it is you're doing, and you're gonna go set up 5 accounts here, 5 accounts here, 5 accounts here, 5 accounts here, 5 accounts here. We don't want to spam these guys. They're doing a great service for us. We don't want to spam them. If we have to create extra accounts so that we can not show spam or be spammy, we want to do that. It's in our best interest. Otherwise, they're going to tighten up and they're going to disable your account, or they're going to block your IP address. And if you value your business and you value the time that it takes to build a good business, you'll do what's necessary not to get yourself blocked and get the whole idea of Web Traffic Genius blocked. It's a great tool, but if you abuse it, you're going to screw it up for yourself, and you're going to screw it up for the rest of us. So let's be good stewards of what we have and do what's right. So I'm going to pause now for a minute while I go ahead and sign up for some of these, and I'll be back. Okay, what I've done is I've gone through, I've signed up for all these except one, because I wanted to show you this process of setting up an email account. One of the things is, when you're setting up accounts for each of your sites on these aggregator sites, you have to have a different email address. That's one of the ways they're going to identify you as well. IP and email address. So what you want to do is, before you even get started on this, let's back up and let's go into cPanel, and we're going to scroll down. We're going to click on email accounts, and then what you want to do here is you want to choose, you're going to go choose here which site you're working on. And what I've been working on is Rogers Free Sites. So I'm going to do Roger at Rogers Free Sites, and then I'm going to generate a password here, because it doesn't matter, we're going to put all of this on a notepad. So just generate that password so that nobody can break something that you put in there. It's really easy. And you just want to copy that, and then you're going to click create. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it again. Then we're going to open the notepad, and the email you created, Roger at Rogers Free Sites, then the password, you'll just paste that in here, and you can see that I did that. And the username, you want your username to be whatever you would like to have as an anchor text on any link anywhere. linking back to your site. And since I'm working on Roger's free sites, I'm going to use the keyword or key phrase free sites. And then you're going to put in a password, something you can remember quickly. And I mean, you could do this for every one of these, and it's going to be okay. This username and password is what you're going to use to sign up at FeedAg and other places. So we're going to close this out, and as you can see, I've already done this. I have Roger at Roger's Free Sites, and this is how you get into your email. You click there, and then you click on this is your password, and hold on, what did I do here? Okay, I'll click into that, and and we're going to log in. Okay, and then just use Squirrel Mail. Squirrel Mail is really easy, really simple, and you can see that I've already gotten emails from some of these that I've signed up for. 2 or 3 of these are, I can't remember exactly, but 2 or 3 of these are going to ask you to verify your newly created account. So every time you create a new account, you need to come back to your Squirrel Mail and make sure that you've validated, taken care of any validation requests from those sites. So I'm going to leave that open right now and go back to here, and this is the last one that I have that I need to take care of, is rss-feeds.info, and it's not ready and it's disabled. And what we want to do is go to edit detail, and we're going to highlight the URL and copy it, and we're going to go to an open tab, paste it in there and click enter, and go to this site and sign up. Now remember, we're going to sign up with the username and password that we're using for all of them, and for me that's free sites and my password, something I can remember easily, and I have a slow connection tonight, so we'll just give this a minute and I'll pause you. Okay, so it looks like RSS-feeds.info